Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. So for this vlog, I am going to share my Wandering Jew collection. It's normally called Wandering Jew, but it comes with a lot of names. Inch plant, Spiderwort, or Tradescantia Zebrina. So let me share my collections. Mine, I only have 5. So this first one is Purple Wandering Jew. So it is also called Purple Secretia, Purple Heart, and Purple Queen.
Second one is Silver Sicilian. First, I was quite confused. I thought kulang sa araw yung aking Wandering Jew, kaya siya maputla. No, it's Silver Sicilian. Third one is Giant White Inch Plant, also called Albovitata. This one, mukha siyang papel. Maganda siya, tignan. My fourth one is Calicia cordifolia. So this one naman is plain green. My fifth one is Lilac Wandering Jew. So you'll appreciate the color of this one.
Propagation for this plant is very easy. So you don't need any rooting hormone.
So I have this old hanging pot. Nasa Coca-Cola pot pa siya. I got from a friend before na hindi ko pa nailipat. So I'll show you how it look like. Ang Wandering Jew kasi very easy to remove yung kanyang rooting. Pagkakahold sa loop. So, kaya natin siya ng konti. As you can see, yung pinaglagyan niya ng lupa, more on parang sand sandy soil. Dapat pala ng sakong pan. So, hugot tayo ng this one. Yan. Yan. Okay. Mababaw lang kasi actually ang kapit ng Wandering Jew. That's why sometimes madali talaga siyang hugutin. And manipis yung ugat niya. Check this one. Can you see? Yung ugat niya ganito lang naninipis. Pag kumalat. So, yung kapit niya liit lang. So, I'll use this pot. This is loam soil. So, I'll transfer them here. But I'll show you how to propagate also by cuttings. So, this one is a sample. You can see, meron na siyang mga roots. Ayun o. Para siyang potos din. Meron siyang aerial roots. Nagde-develop siya ng aerial roots. So, this one ang iyong, of course, tatanim. So, this one you can make 2 cuttings actually. So, these are the nodes that it will create more ugat dyan sa area. So, we can remove. So, maybe we can cut 2. So, para mas maganda siya, this one. Cut natin right here. Yan. So, we have 1. So, mag-root siya dyan. Tanggalin natin para hindi siya mahirapang mag-root. Sayang ang magandang leaves. Yan. So, mag-root yan dyan. You can put it in a growth hormone. Pwede hindi na rin kasi mabilis lang naman siya. Yan. So, this one pwede mo na rin itanim. May root na siya, oh. This one, here. Kahit wag mo na alisin itong leaves na to. So, hayaan mo lang siya mag-grow dyan. So, yan. Yan. So, that's how easy it is. So, this. To see mo, tignan mo yung kinakapitan niya. From sanga. Dito nga house. Ayan, oh. Kinakapit niya. Maliit na mga ugat lang. Ganyan lang siya kanipis. So, this one, ayan. Ay, hindi ko na ito sasama. This one na lang. This one have roots na rin. Ayan. Liliit. Yan. Yes, baby. Yes, Aya. Yes. This one still okay. What? Come outside. So this one. Lipat lang natin. So these are my cuttings. And yung aking for transferring. So just get a stick. Put it there. They like bright areas. Not direct sun. Yes, baby, almost done. Yan. Mame, mame, mame. Mame, mame, mame. Arya, Arya, Arya. Yes! Yan. Okay. Ayan na yung ambos ko. Bilisan na raw natin. Yan. Umalis na! Ayoko na nito. Yan. That's what I like. Pwede naman yan kahit, ayun o, may maliliit yung roots. Mabubuhay yan. Almost done, baby. Mommy! Yeah? I want. You want? What? I want a money show. Show me what? A money show. Yeah, I finished this one. Almost done. Oo, sandali lang. Almost done nga eh. Oo. Ha? I'll show. You will show, mommy. Okay. Sige, punta ka na. Dali. Surprise, mommy. Dali. Surprise, mommy. Dali. Oo, 1 minute. Yeah. Yes, you go to the inside. Yeah. I want it bushy also. So, kalat natin siya dyan. Para pag nag-grow siya, maganda. Yan. So, this. We're done. Throw. Let's clean up a little. As simple as that. So, ta-da! Just leave it for a few days. Sa shaded area. So, let it grow. Yan. I'll put it here muna. That's the same for this one is the lilac. Ganun din siya. You can see aerial roots. There, like this one. You can see aerial roots. Ayan o, haba na. So, if you want to do some transferring or through cuttings, i-cut nyo lang somewhere here. Basta, kasi ito yung didip mo, syempre yung root. Remove some of the leaves. Yan. Bubuhay na yan. Ito pinapahaba ko kasi. Yan. See? There. Ang daming roots. Marami na siyang roots. Pwede nyo na yan itanim. Yan.
So for the plant care, first you need good lighting. So all Tradescantias, including the wandering Jew plants, need plenty of light to retain the variegated colors on the leaves. So if things are too dim, these will fade. So normally when we put it inside the house and the place is too dark, so you'll normally see the colors is not that great anymore. Avoid direct sun exposure to avoid scorching the leaves, and super low light conditions because it will make the markings fade. So for in terms of watering, this plant needs average watering. So it is tolerant of a wide range of watering style, but of course we want to avoid root rot.
And water plants. Okay, water plants daw.
This plant needs to be well watered and for the soil to be moist for most of the time, to ensure that there's a proper drainage, so you will avoid the root rot. For the soil, so you use a well aerated soil that drains quickly. If the soil seems heavy and clay-like, add some peat moss or a rice hull so it won't be too heavy. So for the pruning, so the vines of a wandering Jew plant gets very long and leggy as the plant matures. So don't hesitate to aggressively prune a wandering Jew plant. So when pruning, cut the long stems above a leaf node, the place where the leaf is attached to the stem. It may take a while for the trimmed stem to bush out again, so be patient. So use the clippings to propagate new plants, also like the one I showed you earlier. So good luck with your propagation, guys. So maybe some of you are wondering why it is called wandering Jew or an inch plant. So this plant is centered around its ability to spread and grow very quickly. The inch plant name probably comes from a combination of the stem's ability to grow about an inch every week, and also because only an inch of this plant is needed to propagate itself. So if you're not going to propagate this plant, if you're not going to do any cutting, it will outgrow its spot. Hi guys, I hope you learned something from me today. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to our channel. Don't hesitate to send us a message if you have any suggestion. You can also follow us on Facebook. Hope to see you again soon. Thank you and have a great day. Bye.